Hello, this is Shelly. I'm Shelly. I'm from Shunhao Machine Factory. Our factory is making the machines and the molds powders for the melamine tableware. Today I'm visiting my customers' warehouse. The production workshop is very nice factory here. I'm very happy. And I show you how they work for the melamine tableware. These machines all are supplying by Shunhao company. And now they are working very successfully. So now this machine is making for the this is they call handy. So melamine cup, melamine handy, S shape all can make by this machine. And this machine is 200 tons. We have 300 tons also. And this is the preheater machines, 5 kilowatts. We have 2 colors. This is special color order for my customers. And then this preheater machine is using to make the powder. This is molding compound. Okay, this is molding compound. So they put in the box and then put in the preheater. This is to make the cake. Then after that, become a cake. They will put the cake into the mold to make the shape by curing. So this is the 200 tons Shunhao machines, and now my factory is making different types of the melamine molding machines, and you can invest 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 machines for your new project. Like my factory, this customers, he invests 5 machines at the first time. So now he's running very well. Also very nice factory. Okay. So now the first one is done. So now he keep the second items into the mold. This machine will start to calculate the time of the curing. So this is the processing of the melamine tableware from the powder to cake and then into the mold and curing and become the shape. So it needs the time to make. Okay, to make this melamine tableware is a very nice project to make the profit. But you need a high quality machines and high quality of the molds and the powders to make you a smooth production. This is the key point. Shunhao is making the assure quality machines in China, and factory is in Dongguan. I'm Shelly, the owner of this factory, and we are happy to see you in our factory to discuss about your new project. And if any question during your production, we are very happy to assist and with you to help you to start your business growing up so fast. So we also will be on the partner side. So thank you and welcome to visit Shunhao factory, and Shelly is waiting here for you in China, in Dongguan. Thank you.